Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Profit Turbo review. Profit Turbo, first ever software that will writes a real book from scratch. Brand new Turbo GPT text on any keyword into 10K ebook you can self-publish on our Kindle Killer store with one click. We handle publishing, traffic, payment processing, delivery and support and make $342.19 per day in profit. You build one content business without writing any words. New for May 2023, Turbo GPT take from OpenAI writes 150 plus pages long ebooks from one single keyword. Create 100% original content with the push of a button. Generate unique article, PDF, info product or a ebook with one click. Publish this ebook to a traffic-fueled premium store with viral Amazon Kindle. We send you traffic and handle payment, processing, delivery and support. Have your very own ready-made product to sell or give away. The only Chat GPT writers to actually output 100 pages of content. Built-in designers turns your content into stunning product. 10K DFY ebook built-in already written with new Turbo GPT tech. 100% renewable friendly. Commercial license included. Sell ghost written survives for thousands. No technical skills or experience needed. Zero monthly fees. Your chance to become a real author. Get entire bestseller written, edited, designed and published to an actual live store in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Simply insert your keyword inside our tuning software. Step 2. Watch as Profit Turbo creates 100% unique content for you out of this air. Step 3. Relax as Profit Turbo publish your ebook to our premium store that rivals Amazon Kindle. To do is collect payment. Only AI writer out there that's well actually written an article ebook for you on scale. And the best part, others are already having success with it too. Started with this revolutionary new software today. At time, free commercial license is included, meaning you can use Profit Turbo to sell. What if the next time you were asked, what do you do for a living? You could reply, say, I am the best-selling author. Thank you very much. And if you can buy this product, please check this video description.